everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm doing an extra little video for you. I'm doing a review video on some new stamping plates that I have received from Beauty Big Bang. They are the Christmas stamping plates. So there are 5 altogether, so I will show you what I have. So this is the first one. So this is the first one. This is XL033. Then we have XL031. Next one we have is XL030. Then we have XL032. And then we have XL034. So these stamping plates come in a set of 5. They have all sorts of snowmen, gingerbread, Christmas designs. They are £13.50. So they, like I said, they all come in a set of 5 and they all come really well packaged, really quick delivery. So all that you need to do is remove this this film, this coating on the top, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the stamping plates and the designs that you can create with them. So I shall get started. here are my little designs of some stamping nail art using the stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. So I will do another video where I create my nails and I will apply the stamping nail art to my actual nail. So that video will be up next week. So I will do a winter theme stamping nail art design with these stamps. So don't forget to check out these stamping plates on the website. I will leave you the link in the description box for you to check them out. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.